Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Motorola Moto E15. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. Now you have to click open. And then you can select your default browser, or you can click cancel, and here you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in, or you can click not now, and you can turn on notifications, or you can click not now again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.